Hi, welcome back. Coming to the data analytics with the Python, week 9, assignment 9. So let's see the questions one by one, and the last date to submit the assignment is 27/3/24. State the statement, the given statement, whether it is true or false. The first question, it is false. There is no difference between e of y is equal 0, 1, 0 plus 1x. For this statement, both are regression equations. It is false. Which of the following statement is correct? The first statement is correct. Sensitivity in ROC analysis is called true positive rate. Okay. In ROC analysis, when the threshold value is higher, then specificity decreases and sensitivity decreases, both A and B. Sensitivity in ROC analysis is defined as TP by TP plus Fn. In ROC analysis, a classifier is called a good if it has high TPR and low FPR. For a given confusion matrix, compute the recall. So, based on the recall formula, the value is 0.8. State true or false. Precision is inversely proportional to recall. That is false. And state true or false. Standardization of features is not required before training a logistic regression model. False. State true or false. Standardization of features is not required before training a logistic regression model. The statement is both the linear regression and logistic regression error values have not been normally distributed. Which of the following is true regarding the logistic function for any value of x? Logistic x is equal to logit inverse of x. Now you can submit your answers, and last date to submit the assignment is 27. So that's all for today. Subscribe the channel. Thank you.